2, 3. Red egg, blue egg, yellow too. Which surprise is waiting for you? Shake, shake, shake it slow. What's inside? Let's go, go, go! Pop it open, what's inside? Big surprise, eyes open wide. Laugh and clap and jump with joy. Eggs have toys for every boy and girl. Pop, pop, hooray today. Doozu found surprises, yay, yay, yay. Open the blue egg, what do we see? Baby shark smiling happily. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark is dancing too. Mommy shark, daddy shark, let's all sing from light to dark. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Clap your hands and sing it through. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Dance with Doozu. Woohoo! Green egg, shake it round. Listen closely, what's that sound? Pop it open, look and see. A puppy friend wagging happily. Woof, 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 jump and play. Animal friends, join today. Red is bright like an apple tree. Blue like the sky we love to see. Yellow like the shining sun. Learning colors is so much fun. Point and say the color name. Doozu helps us learn this game.